So we'll continue trigonometric functions. See today's question, that is question number 5, fifth part. Question number 5. Question number 5, fifth part. Okay, what is the question? Prove that that is cos A minus sin A plus 1, cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1, cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A. Okay, but condition is using the identities, cosec square A equals to 1 plus cot square A. So that means you have to convert the to cosec and cot. Look at here. If cot, how to make it cot? Means if you divide by sine, that will become cot. So first clue, if you divide by sine, then only it will be cot. So take the left hand side. Cosec A minus sin A plus 1 by cosec A plus sin A minus 1 dividing numerator and denominator by sin A. So what will you get? Sorry, this is cos, not cosec. Cos A. Cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A divided by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Okay, so that will be cos by sin cot A, sin by sin 1 cancel, 1 by sin cosec A divided by this is cot A plus 1 minus 1 by sin A is cosec A. Okay, so what did you get? This is cot A plus cosec A minus 1, these two together, then cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Okay, then what you have to do, because cosec square A minus cot square is 1, since cosec square A minus cot square A equals to 1, look at this one. Can you write cosec square A minus cot square A? Only for this one you write cosec square A minus cot square A. Only for this one, not for this. because this will get simplified. So for this one you write cot A plus cosec A minus this you write cosec square A minus cot square A. Cosec square A minus cot square for this one divided by cot A minus cosec A then plus 1. Nothing I have done extra. The clue I have got is because this one is cosec square A minus cot square A. So now what you do is you factorize this. So you will get cot A plus cosec A. Let me write little from here. Cot A plus cosec A. Simplify A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B. Cosec A plus cot A cosec A minus cot A. Just little try to adjust here. Cosec A minus cot A divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So look at here. Cot A plus cosec A is common. So when you take out common, what will you get? You will get, if you take out cot A plus cosec A, what is left out here? 1 minus this is gone. What is left out? Cosec A minus cot A. Cosec A minus cot A, but this is inside the bracket. Divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Okay. Now open the bracket. So you will get cot A plus cosec A. If you open the bracket, it will be 1 minus cosec A plus cot A by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Look at cot A minus cosec A plus 1, cot A minus cosec A plus 1 means this is same, is cancelled. So what is left out? The left out part is cot A plus cosec A, proved, which is right hand side. Okay, so let's solve one more similar questions to this. I will show you. That is also our example given in our textbook. Look at example 15. Similar pattern. I will give you the clue. Example 15. Question is, prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equals to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Remember, previous question it was in the numerator, now it is in the denominator. So the clue is here. Using the identities, sec square A or sec square theta 1 plus tan square theta. This identity you have to use. Exactly same method. Look at here. Take left hand side. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, how to get sec and tan? Tan means sin divided by cos is tan. So dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta, because sin by cos will be tan and 1 by cos will be sec. So that will give you, this will be sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, then cos theta by cos theta, then plus 1 by cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta, then minus 1 by cos theta. So what will you get? That will give you sin by cos is tan theta. Okay, tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta divided by tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Okay, rearrange this, you write together. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, now look, since your answer is in the denominator, this one you have to use only for this, not for this. Only for this one you have to use sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So in place of this one you write this, like the previous question, factorize, take common, you will get your answer. So from here it is homework for you, try to complete. Okay, next question is, sixth we have done, seventh part you see. Seventh part, that is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta. Okay, how to start? What is tan? Tan is sin by cos. That means one sin you can take common here, one cos you can take common here. So you take left hand side, take sin theta common. What you will get? 1. This will be what? 2 sin square theta. If you take cos common, this is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now sin by cos will become tan. Now we have to cancel these two. Look at how you are cancelling. Since cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1, means for this one you write cos square theta plus sin square theta. For this one also you write cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this became tan theta. Why tan theta? The sin theta by cos theta is 1. Now for this one you are writing cos square theta plus sin square theta. Then minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta this one you write in the bracket here, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, now sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta is minus sin square theta. So that will be tan theta cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta is cos square theta. Now look at here, minus into plus is minus, so minus sin square theta. Now look at, you got the same term cancelled, so how much you left out? Tan theta. Okay, then you'll have eighth question. What is our eighth question? Sin A plus cosec A. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Looks very lengthy, but a very simple method. Look at here. Take left hand side. This is sin A plus cosec A whole square cos A plus sec A whole square. Now A plus B whole square formula. This is sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2AB, 2 sin A into cosec A, sin A into cosec A plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. Okay, now you know sin square A plus cos square A is 1, so let's keep these two together. So you are getting sin square A plus cos square A cosec square A plus sec square A together okay, then plus 2 sin A cosec A, 2 sin A cosec A plus 2 cos A sec A. Okay, now sin square A plus cos square A is 1, but your answer has to be in tan and cot. There is a formula, you remember, cosec square is 1 plus cot square A. This one. What is sec square A? Now 1 plus tan square A. This became 1. This became 1 plus cot square A. This became 1 plus tan square A. Now what about these two part? So that is plus 2 sin A. Cosec is 1 by sin A plus 2 cos A. Sec is 1 by cos A. If this cos cancel, sin cancel. So how many now? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Proved. This is what you want to prove. Right hand side. Okay, simple only. Follow the technique. Okay, then after that, see, there is a question. cosec A minus sin A ninth question. Cosec A minus sin A sec A minus cos A equals to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So what to do? Also same thing you have to check here. You take LCM. Sorry, first you simplify this. Simplification will give you, take left hand side, right hand side separately you have to solve. That is cosec A minus sin A sec A minus cos A. What is cosec? Now 1 by sin A minus sin A. Then here 1 by cos A minus cos A. Cosec is 1 by sin, then sin, 1 by cos A, then cos. What is LCM here? Sin A. The 1 minus sin will be multiplied sin square A. Then cos A, cos will be multiplied 1 minus cos square A. Look at, I have given you a formula 1 minus sin square A. What is the formula I have given you? Since 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Theta means angle here. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So this is what? Then cos square theta means cos square A. This is cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square is sin square A by cos A. Look at, 1 cos is cancelled, 1 sin is also cancelled. So what did you leave? Get here 1 cos and 1 sin. That is cos A into sin A. This is your left hand side. Look at the right hand side. RHS 1 by tan A plus cot A. So you have to prove 1 by tan A plus cot A is equal to cos A into sin A. So write here sin by cos. 1 by, this is sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. This is 1 by cos by sin. Now what is LCM? Cos and sin. Sin will be multiplied here, cos will be multiplied here. So you will get 1 by cos into sin LCM, sorry, equality is here, main line, cos A into sin A. This will be multiplied here, sin square A plus cos square A. So what is sin square A plus cos square A? 1. That will become 1 by cos A into sin A. Now this is main line, main division line, this will be reciprocal. 1 into cos A into sin A divided by 1. So 1 to multiplied means it is 1, divided by 1 is 1. Cos A into sin A. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, then we have last question, that is 10. 10, that is 1 plus 10 square a by 1 plus cot square a equals to 1 minus 10a by 1 plus 1 minus cot a whole square equals to 10 square a. 3 parts it is. Achha, look at here. Take left hand side. You want to prove this one equals to 10 square a, this one is also equals to 10 square a. Both you have to prove. Okay, now look at here. Left hand side 1 plus 10 square a by 1 plus cot square a. What is 1 plus 10 square? ये तो फॉर्मूला है sec square a. What is 1 plus cot square a? Cos sec square a. Okay, but what is sec square a? Now 1 by cos square a. What is cos sec square a? Now 1 by sin square a. Now reciprocal multiply 1 by cos square a. This is sin square a by 1. Sin square a by 1. What is sin by cos? 10. So that became 10 square a. Now this one equals to this one proved. Now 1 minus 10 a whole square by 1 minus cot a whole square. Also you have to prove 10 square a. Again what you have to take? 1 minus 10a whole square. Actually it is total square. Whole square. Okay. So there is an easy method. Easy method I will tell you. Easy method is, since cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, that means cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So this one you can write 1 minus tan a. This is 1 by tan a. Total का square. Okay. So take LCM. 1 minus tan a. Take tan a LCM. This will be tan a minus 1 whole ka square. Look, these two will be cancelled if you take minus sign common here. So that will be 1 minus tan a into, ये उल्टा होगा, tan a by tan a minus 1 whole square is there. Now we cannot cancel it. We have to take minus sign, then only it will be cancelled. So you will get, this is 1 minus tan a, और if you take minus here it is easy. You take minus common, उल्टा हो जाएगा, tan a minus 1 into tan a divided by tan a minus 1 whole square. Look at, now it is same, you can cancel it. What is left out? Minus tan a. But whole square is there. Square is there. So minus का square plus tan a का square, tan square. Proved. That is RHS. Okay. So this chapter we finished. Now what is your homework today? All the examples are homework for you. Homework will be all the examples of 8.4. I think 8.4. Yeah, exercise 8.4 का all the examples as homework. So practice question will start tomorrow.